Now I'm ready for the whole internet to hate me because of my choice of apparel today. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Stitch Fix unboxing for February 2019. And if you guys want to see what's inside this month's fix, then keep on watching. I'm here with my 20th overall fix, and I actually had a suggestion this month from my stylist, Kallon. Because Ryan and I are going to Prague and Budapest in the middle of the month, I think it's pretty clear that I love being comfortable when I travel, but I also love feeling very stylish and chic when I travel. So Kallon hit me up with a couple of pieces here. Like I said, every month I always suggest for some budget-friendly pieces, just because I don't have a ton of money to like splurge, and especially when you're going on vacation, you don't want to spend an arm and a leg to like look good while you're there and like then not be able to like drink all the beer or eat all the food. So with everything inside this month's fix, it subtotaled to $211, but with the buy all discount code of 25% off and the styling purchase credit fee, this month's box came to $138.25, which is hands down the cheapest box I've ever had. So with everything inside this month's fix, I really am a big fan of kind of the storyline that she was going for. Kallon has been known to try to pull me out of my comfort zone. In fact, she actually wrote that on the like note card that she sent to me, which she is the cutest thing too, and I adore her and her mom and everybody. Like, I just love that. Again, I reiterate so many times that this service has caused and created a friendship in me, and I just love that. But anyway, it's not why you guys are here. You guys download the Stitch Fix app. There's different options on there that you can like go through and like pick things that you would wear or wouldn't wear so your stylist gets a better idea. Also included, and I'll put a screen recording right here of this, your previous fixes that you had. So if you ordered something like 2 months ago and you can't remember what your stylist told you on the play card or like on the little like note card, if you click on that, there's different options for like what they suggested. I did not know that, so be sure to check out the Stitch Fix app as well. With that said, let's go ahead and jump over to the try on. Kallon is again trying to make me pull out of my comfort zone and re-hitting up those purple shades that I had a brief liking for over the summer. It's just a basic layer, and it's kind of like a fun light purple color that normally I wouldn't opt for, but for some reason I kind of like it. I paired here with just a pair of gray leggings and my Allbirds that I feel that I'm going to be wearing a lot when we go. It's one of those tops that it is very basic. It would be a good building layer. You could wear it under a cardigan or something. For it being just basic, I don't hate it. The color, again, is a little out of my comfort zone, but 2019 is going to be a year of stepping out, getting uncomfortable, and trying new things. I like the little detailing of the pocket here. It's something that gives a cut or a style of a shirt that is pretty basic, something a little bit more different. But yeah, I think overall, I don't hate it. I feel like I am all sorts of tangled up in here because I am. Okay, I have a two for here. So starting with the Market & Spruce Wilco Solid Quilted Vest. This is in a size large and this retails for $48. And then we also have here the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Kallon Brush Knit Top, and this is in a large, retailing for $38. The vest is something that I am truly obsessed with because I love quilted vests. I love kind of things that are not puffy, but like just make it look pieced. However, the size of this is a little bit small, but I think for the price point it is certainly worth exchanging. So with that said, we're going to try a return here on a Stitch Fix. It is pretty tight across this part right here, so where my chest is. It doesn't bunch, and then also around the waist too. I love the color. I love how it feels. It's not too puffy. I love the pockets. I just need to return it in a different size. That's all. Now we have this shirt here, which is basically a very light knit hoodie. The color, I love burgundy and I love the color of it. It's here the three different striping, so black and the gray, which would be why I would pull it with that vest. And then it just has a pretty decent size hood if I don't give myself a paper cut again on my neck. The size is pretty good. Again, it's not a hoodie, so to speak. It's more of just like a basic layer. There's a lot going on here. Brush knit detail, so it feels really cozy. I don't love the neckline just because like I don't like the little slit, but again, I think for what it is, it's a good pick. It's not something I think I would go to a store and pick out, but seeing it on, I don't hate it. I kind of like how it has more of a femme cut to it, so it's not just like a basic hoodie. I am pretty surprised with it. I think, again, it's just a good pickup for if you're running out over the weekend, or if you wanted to wear it to the gym. I'm sure you could, but for me, I probably wouldn't. But yeah, I like it because it's a color that I could see myself wearing. I like the detailing down here because it gives it that athleisure kind of vibe to it. We got another two for here. So these are the T for T Amelia Moto ribbed legging. I'm in a size extra large and these retail for $49. And then we also have here the, what is this? We have here the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Tarlio brushed cotton something top. I'm in a size large and this retailed for $38. Let's start with the leggings first. Kallon picked these out specifically for me because she's trying to stray me away from my traditional black leggings, which I'm gonna go kicking and screaming. But I really like these. I love the Moto ribbed detailing because it takes a traditional pair of leggings and spices it up. Really weird bluish color, and I'm like, in my head it looks like denim, so like I could wear it with virtually anything, but in my head I know that it's not denim, therefore I feel like it's gonna look stupid paired with anything. They are extremely comfortable. I'm just a little nervous like what more or less shoes I'm gonna wear with these, because again, they're like that weird color where I feel like it's not denim, so it's gonna look weird with a booty. Does this make sense? I feel like I'm talking stupid. And also we have here another Mix by 41 Hawthorn top. I really like this because one, it's my neutral colors. We all know that I love black and white. I really like the neck because it's not a hoodie, but it's like cozy enough, so like if we are out somewhere and it does get cold, and it gives me that option too. It's a neutral, I really like it. I think the two together, in my head, I feel like it looks weird, but I'm sure it doesn't look that odd on camera. So that was everything that was inside my Stitch Fix this month, so thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos, and if you like my content, and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below, getting notified when I post new fixes. Kallon did a really good job of picking pieces that not only would work on their own individually, but also together as well. I really like that maroon colored sweater thing with the vest, and I loved, you know, just how comfortable, brushed, soft, everything just felt cozy, and Kallon totally knocked it out of the park. So I think for an overall glimpse of everything, she definitely succeeded my expectations, but not to be surprised because Kallon always does. But I will be sure to do a full review of all the pieces inside, and you can find that over the website at sarahlock.com. 2HS2Ks. And I'll also be sure to link all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me when we go to Prague and Budapest and see like the pieces actually in action. Actually in action. That was redundant. But with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and bounce. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, love you always, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.